Live pictures right now of Roanoke, Virginia this afternoon. Oh boy, things are starting to come down on the East Coast. They're preparing for a massive winter storm. And Miami International Airport, here's a live look right now. Some of the cancellations, as you can see, the storm definitely impacting some of your flights. If you're headed out for the weekend, you want to make sure that your flight is on time, especially if you're headed to the Northeast. The East Coast bracing for that potentially record-setting storm. 22 states on alert today, and Washington just recovering this morning from a Clipper storm. These are the scenes from D.C. They're trying to get ahead of what could be a truly crippling blizzard as extreme weather begins to wreak havoc on the area. Here's ABC's Lana Zach in Washington.
70 million Americans today in the path of extreme weather. 6 states of emergency already declared. The nation's capital bracing for power outages, roof collapses, and worse.
We see this as a major storm. It has life and death implications.
Washington today beginning to lock down. Drivers asked to stay off the roads. The D.C. Metro transportation system will be closed.
By 3 o'clock today, you need to be where you're going to be throughout this storm.
Up to 30 inches of snow predicted here with 50-mile-an-hour winds. And store shelves reflect the concern. Outside of Washington, Philadelphia's airport canceling all flights. In the New York area, around 1,700 snowplows are at the ready.
We have 303,000 tons of rock salt on hand.
Extreme conditions facing coastal communities.
The Delaware and Jersey beaches, this will be the greatest test since Hurricane Sandy.
This NASA satellite image captured the monster snowstorm already sweeping through the east and south. Cars sliding off the roads in Arkansas. A tornado in Mississippi taking down trees. As the countdown to a potentially historic blizzard is now just hours away. Lana Zach, ABC News, Washington.
And one more look at live pictures of Miami International Airport. There you can see several flights already canceled. We're going to keep you updated on what the situation is over at the airports. It's actually one of the top stories right now on local10.com. Check in with us throughout the day right there. And the winter wallop causing flight problems in South Florida at MIA. 47 flights canceled, 9 delayed. How about Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport? 63 flights canceled at FLL, 41 delays as of right now. So stay with us again right here on the air and online. The latest on this winter wallop hitting the East Coast. We will have updates for you all throughout the newscast, really throughout the day, right here on Local 10.